Who says shoko leaf is meant for only a roll? Well, I'll shock you. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making shoko and cocoyam soup. So delicious. You can see how this soup is so bubbling. Sit down tight and see how I cook this delicious soup that can go with any swallow. So guys, let us start cooking. So my people, for our shoko and cocoyam soup, you can see on my table I have all my ingredients well prepared. You can see I have my palm oil here, I have my shoko leaf here, I have smoked fish and dry fish, I have dry pepper, I have periwinkle, I have ogiri, blended crayfish, salt, stockfish fillet, and of course our cocoyam. So what I'll do now is to get my pot, pour in the cocoyam, and then take it to the fire and let it start boiling. After that, I will now come and cut the shoko leaves. The meat is already cooking. We are using goat meat, cow tripe, which is shaki, and cow skin. It's already cooked. So I'll just now go and boil the cocoyam. So guys, the cocoyam is already cooking. So at this point now, I'll cut in the shoko leaves. So if you don't know what shoko leaf is, this is how the shoko leaves looks like. Because it's dry season in Nigeria, Port Harcourt precisely, that is why they are so small. But if it's during the raining season, the leaves are usually so big. And again, Port Harcourt, Nigeria, where I base, this leaf is so scarce. I was almost in the market today when I saw this shoko leaves, because in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, this is not their thing. So guys, now I'll now cut the shoko leaves. You don't have to cut it too thinly because I'm still going to blanch it. So guys, you can see the shoko leaves inside my sieve. I want to pour in the hot water now. This blanching enables the greenness of this leaf to be retained. So after pouring the hot water, you can see it's reducing in size. So the next thing you do is to run cold water over it so it can stop the cooking process. So now I'll turn on the tap. You can see it has wilted. So like so, the greenness of this leaf will remain. So let's go and check if our cocoyam is cooked. So my people, you can see the pot of meat is just boiling slowly. So now I'll bring in the stockfish fillet, the smoked fish and the dry fish thoroughly washed, or add in some dry pepper. Always add as much as you can tolerate. This is blended crayfish, and then this is ogiri. I'll add in some water and then let it keep cooking. For the meat, I use only seasoning cube, salt, and then chopped onions to marinate. You know it's soup, you don't need all those ginger and all the others. So that is the only thing I use to marinate my meat. So I'll cover the pot now and then let it start cooking. So now guys, I'll add in the palm oil, let it cook very well and let it infuse into the meat and then the dry fish. And I'll cover the pot again and let it keep cooking. So guys, the cocoyam is cooked. You know it is cooked when you just peel the back and it comes out like this. You know it is cooked. So I'll just peel out everything. I'll pound until it is very soft. If you don't want to use your mortar to do this, then you can now use your blender or your food processor for this. So like I said, you will pound and pound and pound until it is so smooth and there's no seed. So guys, this is what we have. So at this point now, I'll bring in the blended cocoyam and then let it dissolve. Ooh, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. Guys, if you are following me for the first time, I say thank you so very much. If you are new here, thank you. Keep liking, keep sharing, subscribe and follow me. I appreciate you all. Thank you so very much for standing by me. So at this point now, I'll cover the pot and let the cocoyam dissolve. So my people, this is what we have. You can see the cocoyam has dissolved. So I'll add in some little salt, just some salt. Then I'll add in periwinkle. Periwinkle is optional. Then at this point, I'll bring in the shoko leaves. Then I'll add in some more crayfish. Allow this to cook for just 2 minutes because the leaf is already blanched. And guys, our cocoyam and shoko soup will be ready. So it depends on how thick you like yours or how light you like yours. If this is too thick for you, you can add in some more water. But I like mine to be a bit thick. And guys, this will go with any swallow of your choice. So I'll cover the bit for just 2 minutes and let it cook some more. So guys, this is after 2 minutes. Just stir it, and then guys, our soup is ready. You can serve and enjoy with any swallow of your choice. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next bye bye.